Morning, everybody. Thought I'd give you the morning report. Going to fill in my seed tender. I'm gonna go plant the first field that we harvested yesterday. Shouldn't take too awful long, and then when I get done with that, I'm gonna go up to a farm up the street here. My dad's gonna go to a different one. They're both about 30 acres, so it should be pretty easy for one combine to do. Biggest problem is gonna be trucks. We mill doesn't open until 10. Everything we got's full, so hopefully we'll be able to get that figured out, get some trucks dumped. But then we're gonna meet back here tonight. There's a 20-acre field, and once we get that done, we'll be done. Still got a lot of double crops to plant though, so hopefully I'll get some more of those planted this evening. Harvested yesterday after morning. I'm gonna go home, go get some lunch, and probably get back to the combine. My daughter started this thing where she's calling our house a restaurant, so I'm gonna be her first customer, so that should be exciting. Hard to tell what she's cooking. Hopefully I don't get botulism. Walk into the house to get lunch. Let's see my daughter's restaurant. Apparently they're open. I'm here for lunch. So what you got for us?
Well, there's the menu. Let him know what today's special is. Look on the back.
Oh, okay.
You want a drink?
I'll take a cheeseburger and a tea. Oh, what kind of restaurant is that?
It says it goes tea. It says it goes tea. But you can have water.
Okay, I'll take a cheeseburger and a water.
Happy.
What did you sell? Is this your menu?
Yeah. Look on the back.
What's up? Food. Oh my gosh, chef. I'm gonna pay you $3? Oh, I don't know if I got $3. Well, you're just too much. What's on the menu? This is it. I'm opening it. What we got? Cheeseburger, $3. Candy bar, $1.50. Lemonade, water, and orange juice. I'll take a lemonade. That's $2? Man, I'm out of money. You got change for 100? Huh?
Take card.
Yeah.
Tell him nope. Tell him nope. We keep the change.
You take credit card. There's the cow. Thank you, Miss Emmy. Where? Oh my goodness. Well, thank you, Miss Emmy. Thank you.
Hey guys, we're getting ready to move farms. I'm pulling my dad's header wagon over there, and he's behind me in the combine, and then George is in the grain cart. Cody's taking the truck over. We were going to go to separate farms today, but we changed plans. We're both going to the same place, so once we get Dad started, he's going to open up the field or get a place for me to pull over and hook up. I'm going to come back and get my combine. I'd say George will probably pull my head over there. hopefully we can get this field knocked out, move on to the next farm, and wrap it up tonight. We'll see. This is probably one of the more dangerous places we have to travel to, just because it's on a busy 2-lane highway. It's a real tight driveway to turn into. So. Haven't had any accidents yet. Hopefully a day ain't today.
Extra $20 fill-up from KFC contains 8 pieces of freshly double-breaded extra crispy chicken, 4 biscuits, 2 orders of mash.
This driveway I'm getting ready to turn into, I've got to hold way over to the left. I'll be pretty surprised if someone doesn't try to pass me when I'm doing it, because everybody's always in a hurry. Yep, that was a tight swing, but we made it. Combine and bub. God damn, we big timing now. 3 combines. Nah, that's just our neighbor. He farms the field right beside us. I told him he could hook up in this field to get over to his. Don't touch that. You didn't know it has to look funny from the road. Between our field and the neighbor's field, there's a whopping 15 acres here. We got another 30 acres right beside it. We got 3 combines in a 15-acre patch of wheat. There's the neighbor's, there's Dad, and there's mine. I think we got a problem here. Yeah, Pappy's playing chicken with us, bub. Changing farms. We'll take the grain cart on this load since we don't have a driver, grain cart operator today. And we're gonna come back and get my combine and we're down the last 50 acres. Hopefully we'll get done with this here in a few hours. I can get back to planting beans. We gotta make one more move back to the home farm. There's 20 acres behind the shop out there. And then that should wrap it up. So as long as we can get a couple trucks dumped tonight, we'll be able to hold the rest. And as long as nothing breaks, we should be good to go. We'll see. Looks like there's going to be some rain this evening, maybe late tonight or early in the morning. Hopefully if it does rain, it ain't much. Hey guys, camera died in the last field I was in, but we're down to the last 20 acres and all of a sudden we got under a severe thunderstorm warning. I don't know if we're gonna make it or not. We're trying like hell. Dad's already shelling in that field and I'm moving my head in the grain cart right now. I don't know if we'll make it, we'll see. Yep, that ain't good. It's not looking too good. It's starting to sprinkle now. There's thunder and lightning everywhere. Wind picked up to about 40 miles an hour, so I'd say we're probably done for the day. Yep, we're definitely getting the rain now.